guys, I'm finally doing it. I have a bit of laundry in here, so I'm gonna take that out first. But I'm finally taking out this entire piece, and I'm excited, but I'm also feeling intimidated. This is probably gonna take me hours because I'm gonna take my time. I don't want to overwork myself, and I'm probably gonna take a break after I finish cleaning up. And out of curiosity, I'm gonna count all the pieces of clothing I have, because like I told you, I did make a really intentional list of clothing I will be putting into the closet once the build is complete. And I have my Apple Watch on, and we're gonna go from there. I don't even know what kind of workout this is. Let's just say mixed cardio, up and go. Okay, maybe a little bit of like weightlifting in there too. Okay. What I'm gonna start with is building this movable rack I got from IKEA and putting all the clothes I intend to put back into the closet so they stay on hangers, and then everything else either goes into another closet in another part of the house, or it goes into the for sale sign, it goes into the for sale pile, or it's gonna go into the donation pile. So I'm about to make it do what it do, baby.
Best friends, we start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color, and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every romance loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in Paris, I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be La Vie en Rose. Maybe I'll get a place that's right across the Notre Dame. The roof will be leaking, but I'll be as happy as they come. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what
I still need to add this backing to the back of this. So my solution is to just turn it around. Okay. See, it's a bit unsteady. And then use painter's tape to tape this onto the top so that I don't need someone else holding it. So let's go for that solution. Let's see if it works.
Kick game, let me tap that. No shame, cause you been bad. Real one, but you knew that. Look good on your own, I'ma give you what you want and more. Something about you and the way you move, I bet it's how they all try to hit you up. Bet you heard enough, so now I slide through. Tryna play it real smooth with the moves, I ain't tryna get played like a fool, no. Seen you shoot them down like dominoes. Man, these dudes don't know when it's time to go. Let me show you a star boy when the lights dim low. Yeah, get close, baby, get close. Get close, baby, get close. Sit back where the drinks at. Kick game, let me tap that. No shame, cause you been bad. Real one, but you knew that. Sit back where the drinks at. Kick game, let me tap that. No shame, cause you been bad. Real one, but you knew that. Look good on your own, I'ma give you what you want and more. Got me speaking French cause I'm thinking about we. Baby, leave your friends, you ain't gotta hurry. And if you want, we can always keep the shit low key. Keep it 6 feet deep, we can keep it buried. Not the type to marry, but the type to make your knees weak. I can really promise I'ma be here when you need me. No, I'm not a player, but I crush a lot. Might get on your nerves, but you know that I just hit the spot. Yeah, get close, baby, get close. Get close, baby, get close. Sit back where the drinks at. Kick game, let me tap that. No shame, cause you been bad. Real one, but you knew that. Sit back where the drinks at. Kick game, let me tap that. No shame, cause you been bad. Real one, but you knew that.
Anchoring this to the wall is really important since you'll be hanging stuff off of it. You want to make sure that you are not going to have it topple over you because that would be very bad. So I've already put in the screws and now I'm gonna put the covers to cover. Put all my clothes on this rack right here and I'm about to add this rack, this pole, sorry, to this. I considered painting this gold, but I feel like because I'm gonna customize this more, that it makes more sense for me to just leave it white because then there's just too much going on. Okay, this video today is gonna be late, but this is where I am so far. Whew. Okay, so I'm about to hang what's supposed to go in this section according to my plan.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life's back.
Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I know this episode was kind of chaotic, but I'm happy with what I've accomplished so far, and we still have the rest of the closet to go, but so far, so good. If you want to continue this series, please go ahead and like or subscribe. Thank you. Bye.